Hey, it's Tim. 2001 Grand Prix SC towed in. I'm pretty sure we can figure out why it was towed in. Said it will not go into gear. Oh Lord, look at that. The whole thing broke. So we will be doing a new axle, obviously. Like these, I just take the strut, move this back and move it out. So I'll show you that here in a second. I'll waller out that rotor too. I don't like that. Put the rotor kind of up here. Spray your axle nut a little bit. This thing needs rotor pads. Rotor pad, wheel bearing. There's junked up. Two. Oh. Bearing's no good. Tell the customer what I'm probably gonna say this. Alright, let's get the rest of the axle out. You're gonna want to come in here and kind of get behind it, try it. Okay, to get it out, what I did is always undo your jack up your passenger side so it can be free. You can kind of move this around because it's easier if you move it all around. You take you like a pry bar and go behind it and just pry and tap on it with a hammer. What I do when they're broke like this, which is not normal, here's one how you won't have to do it. You're probably going to pull it without even using a pry bar or anything. You can just kind of pull it with the old one once you get it out of here, right here. I'm gonna do this wheel bearing here in just a second too, because this shot called the customer. But anyway, this is how you do it. Just kind of, if it's broke, get your vice grips on it like this, get it tight, and just pull. Like I said, tap on it. Tap on it some with a pry bar. Well, this is only if it's broke. Like I said, it's much easier when it isn't broke, because you got a little bit more to play with. But anyway, that's how you get a broke one out, and we'll put the new one and a new wheel bearing on here as soon as they come. All right, the bearing was the cause of this broken axle. See the bearing? Wallered out the rotor, wallered it out, and it ended up making some vibration. It broke the freaking axle. That's what left to this side. So we're putting a new bearing in. It just slides in, 3 bolts. Drive good, goes in reverse good, goes in drive good. This thing needs a million other things, but at least they can drive it now. So you ever have a broke axle, don't panic. Thanks for watching. Yeah, come on. I'm done at Tim's Auto.